Good morning students. I'm your English teacher Shabana and today we will do exercise Let's Try 3. That is in your second chapter Pengu Pretends. As you know that Pengu always pretend to be anything like a pirate, to be anything with letter which begins with the letter P, like we read in this chapter that Pengu pretends as a pirate. Pengu pretends to be pirate on Monday, and on Tuesday Pengu pretends to be as a park ranger, and on Wednesday Pengu pretends to be a paratrooper. Okay students, in this exercise, in this Let's Try, we will fill this exercise and draw the pictures of Pengus like he pretends. Okay. First of all, we will read this Let's Try 3. Draw and tell Pengu's story. In this story, we have to draw the pictures and tell the story of the penguin. Okay students, just imagine your friend wants to know what Pengu has been pretending to be all week. Yes students, just imagine your friend want to know what Pengu has been pretending to be all week, कि वो पूरे हफ्ते, पूरे वीक वो कैसे प्रिटेंड करने वाला है, वो कैसे प्रिटेंड करेगा, वो आपका फ्रेंड जानना चाहता है. ओके, वो आपका फ्रेंड, आपके फ्रेंड्स जो है वो जानना चाहते हैं कि that Pengu has been pretending to be all week. What Pengu has been pretending to all week, and you have to draw the pictures in this exercise and you have to tell them, you have to write the story, write the sentences below the pictures and complete this exercise. Okay students, now in this exercise I have drawn a picture of pirate and you have to draw also. Okay students, you have to draw this picture in your book, of course book, volume 1, chapter 2, on page number 16. You have to draw this picture of Pengu that is pretending as a pirate on Monday. Okay students, as you know that here is a picture of a Pengu pirate. Okay, he is pretending like a pirate on Monday, and now we will write the sentence. We will complete the sentence. Okay, on Monday Pengu pretends to be. On Monday Pengu pretends to be. Look at the picture. What is it? Pirate. Yes, Pengu pretends on Monday. Pengu pretends to be a pirate. To be a pirate. What is the spelling of pirate? P-I-R-A-T-E. Yes. Very good students. Pirate. Okay students? Okay. And on Monday, Pengu pretends to be a pirate, and pirate with a what is it? A parrot. With a parrot whose name is Pari. The parrot, the name of the parrot is Pari. Okay, you can write the sentence also. You can write this sentence also in with this sentence. Okay students, now the second picture is park ranger. What is it? Park ranger. Okay students, in this picture Pengu pretends to be a park ranger. So we will complete the sentence below the picture. Yes, look at Look at here. On Tuesday, Pangu pretends to be a park ranger. To be a park ranger. Done? Yes, students. Okay. Now look at the next picture. This is a paratrooper. In this picture, we are seeing a penguin with a parachute, and she pretends to be a paratrooper here. Okay. And what is the day? On Wednesday. On Wednesday, Pengu pretends to be a paratrooper. On Wednesday, Pengu pretends to be a paratrooper. Yes, students, I told you what is paratrooper. Paratrooper, a person who trained to jump from an aircraft and land on the earth. Okay. On Wednesday, Pangu pretends to be a paratrooper. Yes. What is the spelling of paratrooper? Paratrooper. Have you done, students? On Wednesday, Pangu pretends to be a paratrooper. Okay, students, and in this story, we read on Monday, Pangu pretends to be a pirate with a parrot on her shoulder, and they searches for food. They are looking for a pirate ship to eat something, है ना? कुछ खाने के लिए वो pirate ship को ढूंढ रहे थे. They are looking for a pirate ship to eat something, and they found something there. है ना students? वहाँ उन्हें कुछ मिला खाने के लिए. They found there something. What? Yes. Remember it? They found some. क्या मिला उन्हें? They found some potatoes and. Yes, you know about it. Yes, students. And the next picture, park ranger. On Tuesday, Pangu pretends to be a park ranger. And what is the duty of penguin as a park ranger? Yes, to clean and take care of that park. Okay, उस park की देखभाल करना और उसको clean रखना. And as a park ranger, when he is in the park as a park ranger, then he made the family of a polar bear. है ना students? Polar bear की family से मिला and polar bear, and they gave something to eat. है ना? And what are these? Yes. What were the? Yes, students. And the next penguin is as paratrooper. On Wednesday, Pangu pretends to be a paratrooper, and paratrooper, what happened? Yes, when she pretend to be a paratrooper, he jumps from an aircraft and jump on a pumpkin patch, and Patil Patel was the owner of that pumpkin patch. Okay, do you know the meaning of pumpkin patch now? Yes? Yes, the land where we grow some vegetables and pumpkins also. Okay, students, as a paratrooper, he jumps from an aircraft and lands on the pumpkin patch. But Patil Patel was not angry at her, है ना? And instead of this, he gave her some pickle, pie and pakoras of pumpkin. Okay, now you all know about the story of Pangu, and I know you will do this exercise. You will complete this exercise by yourself. Okay, students. Now I will give some examples of Pangu's. On Thursday, Pangu pretends. Yes, students. On Thursday, Pangu pretends to be a perfect piano player. Yes, we will write here a perfect piano player. Yes, students, write it fast. On Thursday, Pangu pretends to be a perfect piano player. Okay, and after seeing her to doing the piano, her parents was very happy. Her parents were very happy after seeing her. Okay, to play the piano. And on Friday, Pangu pretends to be. Yes, students. On Friday, Pangu pretends to be. Yes? Yes. On Friday, Pangu pretends to go to Paris. Okay? On Friday, Pangu कहाँ गया था? Pangu pretends to. Pangu कैसे pretend कर रहा था? कि जैसे वो पेरिस जा रहा है. Pretend to go to Paris. Okay, students. On Thursday, Pangu pretends to be a perfect piano player, and after seeing her to playing the piano, her parents were very happy on that time, and they gave her something to eat. They gave her something to eat. They gave her a treat. Okay. On Friday, Pangu pretends to go to Paris. Okay. And on Saturday, Pangu pretends to be a head of a parade. To be a head of the parade. To be the head of the parade. Fill it fast. Yes, students. On Saturday, Pangu pretends to be the head of the parade, and when she is marching in the parade, the purple cat throwing the popcorn in the air, and the people cheer her. Okay, students. And on Sunday, who will tell me? On Sunday, Pangu pretends to be no one. Pangu pretends to be no one. वो कुछ भी नहीं बना था on Sunday, because on Sunday Pangu feels exhausted. Pangu feels very tired on that time. वो बहुत थका हुआ feel कर रहा था, and on Sunday she decided to go her best friend Patty's house. है ना? To go her best friend Patty's house, and in the house of Patty they spend the time together, है ना? And they solve the puzzle also on there. Okay, उन्होंने वहां पर क्या किया? पजल भी सॉल्व किया on Sunday, and on Monday, on next upcoming Monday, they decided to pretend to be anything that begin with letter N. Okay, so we will fill what? No one. What? No one. Okay, students, and you have to draw some pictures. Draw some pictures here in this exercise to complete this exercise. Okay, students. Now this exercise has completed now, and you have to complete in your book, and you have to send me your homework in homework group. Okay, students, stay home, keep safe. Bye bye.